Good morning, class 2. Hope you all are fine. I'm your English teacher and my name is Rafia Munawar. Dear students, today we are going to revise the story The Greedy Dog. So, dear students, take out your English grammar notebook and open the story The Greedy Dog. Dear students, today date is Monday 25th January 2021. Dear students, we have key points of the story and with the help of these key points, we will revise our story. So let's start. First point is hungry. And what we will write the sentence of hungry? We will write once upon a time there was a dog. He was very hungry. Now second point is found a bone. We will create a sentence. He found a bone on the way. Now number third point is ran away. Now we will create a sentence. He picked up the bone and ran away. Now number fourth point is bridge. Next we will create a sentence. There was a bridge on the way. You can see here there was a bridge on the way. Now number fifth point is reflection in the water. Now number fifth point is reflection in the water. We will create a sentence. He saw his reflection in the water. Now number sixth point will be an other dog. And we will create a sentence. He thought that there was an other dog with a bone. Now number seventh point is barking. He wanted to get it. So he opened his mouth to bark. Now number eighth point is lost his bone. We will write he opened his mouth and lost his own bone. You can see here when he opened his mouth, his own bone fell into the water. Now number ninth point is greed is curse. So at the end we will write the moral of the story, which will be greed is curse. So dear student, with the help of points and pictures we have revised our story The Greedy Dog. I hope you all are enjoyed and understood very well. So take care and Allah Hafiz.